Hi everybody, welcome to another career tutorial. I'm cripeman. What we're going to do this time through is we're going to make some prep for our next tutorial, which is going to be forces. But I want to get a particle emitter set up so that it can excuse me, handle forces and be all cool and everything. So let's go ahead and drop a particle emitter into our scene, because that's what we're going to use our forces on. And we're going to make it a sphere. We're going to go to our particle creation side of the screen down here at the bottom, and we're going to go 0, 0, 0, 0. Yeah, it's kind of unnerving. I'm never doing that again. And 0. So we have everything set at 0. Now on the right hand side of the screen, what it is the randomness that you're going to have in any of these first boxes. So we took all the randomness out. Let's go ahead and bring the number of them down to 20. We're going to make our size 1, and this is mainly just so we can see it. And we're going to do our velocity at 25. I'm going to generate some particles before start. 0, 1, kapow. And we need to fix the display. Let's go out here, instead of light mesh, let's do a mesh. There's our 2 particles. Make them red so we can see them. And there you go. You pretty much have it set up. Now, let me show you a little something here. What we want to do is we want to make sure that there's no gravity affecting it. We want only the forces to take effect and not have to deal with any other element except for the forces, mainly for display purposes. Let's go ahead and lose the gravity. Kapow, push 0, and you notice that this spreads out a little more. Let's go ahead and go out here and tap scene, go to physics, and there was a value here before. This is another tutorial, but there was a value here before, and we don't need it, so I put it to 0. Instead of using default gravity, we did this. Let's go ahead and there we go. Still at current frame. Cool. Now let's see what we got. Oh, darn. Push 0. Back up so we can see it. Let's render. And now it looks like a stack of balls on top of each other. Let's go ahead and space that out a little bit. By cranking this up to probably 50. Shuffle. Kapow. That should bring it just over the top of our scene box thing. Just gonna render and check it out. And there you go. Now they've kind of separated a little bit, and this is going to be, this is the way it's going to be in when we do the tutorial. Oh, actually, let's do that. There you go. Now you can go down to 10 particles a second. It's going to shuffle them, or that's going to space them a little bit better. And there you go. And that's the basic setup for this. Now, the very next tutorial is going to be our forces, and some of them are pretty cool, some of them are pretty bland, but it's a pretty cool thing. But now we have a particle emitter to set up to it. But before we do anything else, I almost quit it there, but go into your browser, and in your objects, you got to hunt for all this stuff. In your objects, if you go down here, and you can pretty much drop them anywhere, but if you want to kind of keep them with everything else, go to basic particles, take your particle emitter, drop it in there, and we're going to call it tutorial helper real. Oh, helper. That I went ahead and I didn't put the space in there because it's kind of an older program, and sometimes spaces kind of freak these older programs out. So it doesn't hurt to make sure that your stuff sticks together or is connected by another character. So let's go ahead and push OK. Kapow. And there's our particle right here. Let me show you a little something here. Let's go ahead and delete this. Drop a particle emitter into our scene. Load. Don't make a liar out of me. There we go. Right there. Now it's in our scene wizard. And we can use this whenever we want to. And you'll probably be seeing this again because I've just surprised myself with something I'd never really checked out before. Go ahead and push OK. Sure, bring the shader in. And now your particle emitter is right back where we started. Okay, we're going to go ahead and cut this off, and the very next thing you should see will be the forces. All right. So anyway, that's it for this time. I'm Cripeman, and I'll talk to you again later.